Mula sa Navotas City naman, wow, pambato ng Navotas, 71 anyos, partner. Sino ba to? Pakilala mo na.
Ito na si Milagros Dizon, 71 years old.
Milagros Dizon.
We could tumble like a weed in the wind, or we could scatter like the leaves in the storm, or we could stand like an oak and laugh at the joy that the love we had is gone. We could buckle like a breeze made of steel, and we could shatter like a house made of glass, or we could stand like a rock and weather the shock and try to make it last and give it every day. A little goes a long, long way, and we could have it all, and we could have it all again. Or we could crumble like a castle of sand and fade and wither like a rose on a vine. Or we could stay with the dream till lost it may seem, and try a second time and give it that love every day. A little goes a long way, and we could have it all, and we could have it all again. We could have it all again. You stumble and you fall, you're out of your roses, you gather your forces, and you try again, and give it another love every day. A little goes a long, long way, and we could have it all, and we could have it all again. We could have it all. We could have it all again.
Alright. Yan po si Nanay Milagros Dizon, 71 years old from Navotas City.
Galing.
We could have it all again. Sino bang kumanta niyan? Si Maureen McGovern yata yan eh. Okay, Darlene, ano yung sinasabi mo
May
kanina?
nagtatanong dito po.